Hey buddy, good morning. Doing weekly challenge. Volty, this one said you need an account that allowed to bring glasses. So when you do here and do sign in, always let's do our inspect, our network tab, disable cache, persistent. Okay, they give us also something we can do. If I go do this one, and I do Vaulty password. We have two things is very interesting. Sign in by email, that's fine. So I think where is the folder? There is one folder very important that will give us the glass things. And then I forgot where is it already. No, no, that's not. Where is this one now? Not you. Where is the glass one? Yeah, I forgot where is that the glass thing. No, this is the DB. No, what did? Hold on. No, not you. Where is the final slide? The people. Let's see the people. Boarding. Preview. Not you. Not the people. Marketing, legal, finance. Is it in marketing? I think it's in the not you. I'm sure it's no the vault. There is one folder that has. Let's see. I go to legal contract. No, it's not in contract. Damn it! I forgot where it's supposed to be. Look like we go finance. Let's see. Is it in a finance? No, the report. I don't think it's this one. Not in finance. So uh, we go into the last vault. So we check people, engineer, marketing. We didn't check marketing. Campaign. No. Where the hell is it? Product. Not in product. So where is it? Roadmap. Not you. User research. Which one I didn't? HR. It's supposed to be in. Oh, this one. Yeah, how come I forgot about? Let's copy this one and put it there so we can come to it. This is more important because it tells us that Olivia Stone is CEO, owner of CM Test, Maya Chan. So we have a couple of emails. Executive Officer account, provision by IT. Yeah. So we have these emails, but I'm still missing break glass vaults. Where is these break glass things? I don't know where did I missed it. Architect, thread modeling, design doc, search inboxing, author design, runbooks, deploy runbook instant response. So it's I don't know where is that product people finance is one missing. Oh no. I think I'm missing myself. This is it's fine. So we got a couple of emails. I think I'm missing the thing. So we got the information we want. Let's sign out. If I go sign in now from these emails, for example, if I test this one, and now I can sign with the magic link. If I go now sign in, it tell you if the email has oh, mail is already given on here. If you open this one, so we got the email for a magic link, so we can open this one, and now we logged as ACM executive, and now this is the important part. Now if I go to Vault, we have executive, and now it's the break class. That's why the hint it said you need an account that allows. So we got a list of accounts. So the CO is the logical step. So now if I preview this one, and then we got the most important information for us, and we can see we have an API and rotate the key. So the API is this one. And they say reveal the key. They sign in with your password to reveal the key. And here where things becoming a bit stranger. Now, if you look, for example, inspect again our network, so very strange happening here. For example, if I go now, this is the brick. If you go to vault, not you, setting, you go to member, and you can see all this member here, the names, and then you can owner doesn't. If you want to put someone you logically think this is the people, for some reason they already exist. Then we come back to this. For example, our what's that name of that user, viewer. So you think I can put uh, at that user, for example, ACM to admin it. You know that the one that we did before, it said you invite, and you can see it have this invite link, but the issue is this link that doesn't really exist, because uh, if I try to call it, so for example I can just try to call it, for example, invite that, for some reason it just they said 404 and basically not found. So the question is the idea, because uh, remember when it so this invite is not like a dead end. This endpoint doesn't exist. I'm not sure what's the whole of this endpoint, and that's the only user that have a password. Remember we logged with it, that one has a password and is not in the list here in the viewer. So for us to the Volti, that executive part, for us to where is that Volti now? Where is that glass thing that we got? Upload file. This one is our dead end 2. Reveal the key. It tell you need the username and password. Send a password. So we don't have the password, and this endpoint is dead, and it doesn't exist, this invite. So where is the problem in this room? So what exactly? And then it's, to be honest, I got confused in this room here where things become very strange. You see this email owner. If I sign out now, let me log out of these things, leave the email there. So if I go sign in, and we have already this account, this is the viewer that we got. So the question is, the app uh, protect the email. So if I try to, no, not sign in, create an organization. Now, you can call it with my organization, my name, for example. Can the is the email because you think that because it's there, so it's already registered or something. So the first question, does it reject the email? And let's say create that one, 123. So if I create an organization, it tell you very strange. An account with this email already exists. What? An account with this with that email already exists. I did restart the machine. Why tell me it exists? Let's test another email. Maya Chen. Uh, You see, account claim it. Check your email for a sign-in link to verify your address. I don't know why it said claim it. I think it's in the where is that post request? I don't see the post request. Yeah, we've been registered, so for the request, you can see it show it in the top. Login pending equal 1. So now I'm very I tested before with the owner, didn't tell me email exists. So there's someone else working in this room. You can test any email of this one for any case. So now you can directly log in with this email Maya that I did now. If I do Maya and do my login that I just create now, it did you please verify your email before signing, because now if you there's no email coming in. So the question what we can do now, we can log with a passphrase. It seems when you log with passphrase, it activates your email. So if I do that, come back and what to this one, I can get one and log in now. Using Maya like we did with the direction. Now if I do exit, if you can see the break glass again, and if you do recover the key, it says sign in with your password to reveal this key. Good question. So let's sign out, sign in, go back to, because now it's activated, put my password I just did. When I log in now, if I go to executive, the glass one, reveal the key, and it will give me the key for the password, the flag. So what is the vulnerability in this room? The vulnerability in this room, or the lesson is, when you see emails like that, don't assume this one exists. Try to test if the application accept registering them. That's what's the point, because now, for example, these two are from the executive group, so you can use them. So because executive office accounts are provisioned by IT, so we have that, and then we have member of the break class control. So I'm not sure why this one did refresh, because before I tested it was fine. So my chain, you can test it also. So basically you have a registration, you need to test if it accept another email, it does reject, things like that. That's the vulnerability in this room, and that's what happened. It's a bit confusing, this setup. I'm not 100 happy with it, to be honest, but that's the logic of the room. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.